True. No lies. I had to give my baby girl the hat. Hey, what it say? Obey.
That's why
Obey.
I'm wearing obey, because I obey Speedy.
I don't have to say that. True, you don't have to say that. You know what it is. Yo, these motherfuckers on this page, I told you, 20 fucking videos in one night. You know what I'm saying? We're not even fucking around. Hey, by the way, you gotta shout out to, there's some bitch niggas, you know bitch niggas, and there's some real niggas. Shout out to all the real niggas. Say shout out to all the niggas.
Make a shout out to all the real niggas.
True. Fuck you to all the bitch niggas.
Fuck all the bitch niggas.
Abahawas.
Abahawas.
Hoyadawas.
Ayayda was.
You know what it is. I said that thing was listen, are you behind the camera? True, I thought that. But yo, wallahi, I'm so high. I don't know what I'm laughing about. I don't know what I'm talking about. You hear me, baby? Mm-hmm. What's that? Anyway, we're gonna do our thing. It's my baby girl. I got like we go way back. It's not what you think. Anybody disrespect all my fucking video, you know I'ma fucking go ham on you. I don't give a fuck who you are. Don't fucking disrespect any chick on my video. Okay? You can't call her a hoe. You never fucked up. Alright? Don't do that shit. Cut the fucking video.